In this lecture, we will learn how to group data by date and time. So here we can see that every salesperson's name here in this row area, that under the date, in which date they sold the item. So here, suppose we want to group it. So by right clicking here on this, just click group, and then we can say different options of how you can group, how you are interested to group, like quarters, months, years, blah blah blah. So you want to make a group like by month, so just click OK, then you can see that it has been grouped by month. So here again I want to change it by quarters, so just you click here by quarters, and then you can see that it has been changed into quarters, quarter 4 or some ways in the quarter the date is in. So by this way we can group our data from this pivot table in different ways, like times and months and in different ways. So in the next lecture we'll learn about filtering of our data.